Yeah, yo fams, what's going on? Um, yeah, this is uh another day to make a video. So, what I really want to say on this video is I want to reflect on what's happened, what I said on my last video about GBPUSD analysis. So let's just go straight to the point. And on GBPUSD, what did I say? I actually said I'm expecting price to come back to this resistance that turn into support for me to actually look for a buy, or it comes down to this point here, I look for a buy, or it comes down to this support here and look for a buy. But what actually did happen? Okay, this is what happened. Price didn't come back. Okay, price didn't come back to this our support here. It didn't come back to any of them. So what the price did, the price actually found another support that was closer to where it was when I made that video. As you can see, this here is a support. Okay, this is a resistance that turned into support. This is another one here that turned into support. Okay, so these are resistance. These are um key zones, okay, that can be used as support in for this current price movement when I made the video last time. So price this actually came back to my zone, and it is fine. Okay, it is fine. So what the price did, this is what price did at this support that I showed you. Price makes use of that support there, it makes use of it. So and if you go to the 1 hour, we can clearly see it. Okay, we can clearly see it when let me zoom in, where we can clearly see it when price came back here and formed a double bottom at this. Is the first leg here, this is the second leg here, double bottom, which is a chart pattern that signifies bullish momentum, bullish reaction. And what it did, it created a double bottom here and break above it, come back here, and then did what, retested that double bottom. And I actually do not capitalize on this trade because I was not active when it did happen. But as you can see, price, well, that's just the simple thing it did here. At that, it makes use of the resistance. Let me go to daily time frame so you can see it very well. It makes use of this zone here. This is a resistance, and remember, resistance, support and resistance are not a specific line. They are not a specific line. They are what? They are zones. They are areas. They are zones. Okay, they can, if you plot a zone, or if you plot a zone like a support or a resistance, price can dip into your support, or can just touch the peak and react from it, or can dip really into it and then react from it. So remember, support and resistance are just, they are what, they are zones, and that's what price actually did at this point here. So if you see the 4 hour, this is the resistance here. Price makes use of it. And are they actually kind of think are they actually kind of see that price is going to make use of that area of value? But that's what it did. And when it did that, if you come to the 1 hour, price was created a double bottom at this point, breaks out of it, then retested it, and then boom, all the way to the upside. Simple price action. That's what price did. That's what it actually did. So what I'll be watching for next is, since price didn't come to this zone, then all these zones, what, they are kind of irrelevant for now, for us to follow this what's currently happening. So price has already given us what, a new key level. And where is our new key level now? So on GPUSD, this is what I'll be expecting. I'll be expecting price to actually let me delete all this here because it is really long gone. Okay, let me delete these two. So these are my fresh new zones, okay, at this point here. So I'll be expecting for GBPUSD to actually come back to this level here. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see it well. I'll be actually waiting for GBPUSD to come back to this resistance and make use of it as a support, and then sorry wait for it to actually come back here, and then boom, look for bullish reaction. Or it did what come back to this support here, and then look for a bullish reaction, and then buy. So that's my analysis on GBPUSD. So what I do not want to see is, I do not want to see GBPUSD actually come back, break below this higher low here, because we all know it's a simple price action method. Once we are in an uptrend, we make higher highs and higher lows, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So once price breaks the most recent, not just any higher low, but the most recent higher low, then price has automatically changed turn into a bearish trend, potential bearish trend. So that is, so I don't want to see price come and make pullback all the way down, breaks this higher low, because if it does that, then automatically we've turned it into a bearish trend. And mind you, also this affects that's on the 1 hour, and this also is affects the 4-hour time frame. Okay, it affects the 4-hour time frame, because we can see this is a high and this is a low. This is the most recent higher low, which price has price has broken this new high this new higher high. Price has broken it and created a new higher high. So once price create a new higher high, we know that, okay, for price to create a new higher high, it actually wants to continue the bullish trend it has started already. So that's just it. So we just wait for price to come back to either the support here or this one here, and then we actually look for a buy. So that's my prediction on GBP USD. Peace out.